Hey everybody, Dees here. Why dirty your pots when you can use the Instapot? Make sure you subscribe and follow. So today, we're going to be doing something super quick and easy. We're going to be calling it jerk chicken the easy way. Can't get any easier than this. I'll give you that authentic flavor, but no prep time or overnight prep needed. So we'll start off with our jerk seasoning. I use Walker's, but you can use any one that you can find at your local grocery store. I'm also going to use an optional piece, which is liquid smoke, just to give it a little bit of a smoky flavor, but you don't have to do that either. And we're also going to need some water. We have about 3 pounds of chicken thighs. I like using chicken thighs because you can't go wrong with it. They're a little bit easier to deal with in terms of not drying out the meat. So let's get started. There's our 3 pounds of chicken thighs. We're going to go ahead and add our jerk seasoning. They come in 2 different heat levels. There's hot, which is pretty hot, and there's also mild. I'm using hot today. I'm going to just splash on a little bit of my liquid smoke. And this really helps if you're going to be doing it in the oven. Today I'll be putting it on the barbecue. So we're going to go ahead and coat all our chicken thighs, make sure they're well coated. You know what, I think I'll probably put a little bit more jerk seasoning. There we go. Just to make sure that I have it well coated. Now because we're going to be doing this in the Instapot, the flavors are going to literally be all the way through the meat. Stuff that you would normally get when you do a long marination. We're going to go ahead and put that in the Instapot. You don't have to worry about doing skin down or skin up. We're going to go ahead and add 1 cup of water. And it can pretty much go all over the meat. Then we're going to go ahead and seal a lid. And that's what it looks like on the inside. So we'll make sure that our seal is set to seal. Always like to double check that. We're going to go ahead and set our Instapot for manual. Pressure is going to be high, and I'm setting mine for 15 minutes. That will pretty much guarantee that the chicken is cooked all the way through. Normally when you're dealing with chicken, it's one of those items that you're kind of worried about. And before you know it, our chicken is done. 50 minutes has passed. I'm gonna go ahead and open that seal. Wait for that pin to drop. And go ahead and now take out my cooked jerk chicken. Now some people have asked me in the past, what do you do with all that additional liquid? I personally throw it out, but you can always use it as, I guess, some type of a gravy if you'd like. Hey everybody, Dees here, and I just wanted to let you know that this is just part 1 of the video. We will be doing something exclusive once again, exclusive next week Sunday, so make sure you tune in. I will give you a little hint. It has to do with this jerk chicken that we're about to finish off, but it also has to do with samosas. So you can kind of put the two together. See you guys next week Sunday. Once again, thank you for watching, and I'm just gonna finish this stuff up on the grill. Take care. Bye. So I'm gonna finish mine up on the barbecue grill. Put down the pieces, but once again, if you don't have a barbecue or you just want to make it easier, you can definitely finish this in the oven. Set your oven at 350, give it a little bit of a broil, and then finish it off in the oven until it's golden brown. So there you go. There's my jerk chicken pretty much all completed. I used a charcoal grill. Temperature is about 250 all the way through for about 15 minutes. And let me just go ahead and clean my grill while it's just on the warming rack. I've been using this. It's a great barbecue tool. And there's the finished product. Some nice seasoned rice with some jerk chicken thighs. Did this in under 35 minutes. Yeah, people coming by your house, you can really give them something authentic that tastes absolutely great and takes no time. So make sure you watch us next week. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Make sure you tell people about it. And next week, special video coming through. I'm making jerk chicken samosas. Just to let you know. Thanks for watching.